In this video, I'm going to teach you how to send Disney tickets to someone else. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly transfer over any Disney tickets that you have to someone else. To do this, you will need to use the latest version of the My Disney Experience mobile app. So open the Play Store and look for My Disney Experience. When you download this application, you will be able to create an account and sign in digitally. It's very important that you use this application because the only option to reassign your tickets to someone else is going to be available here. So you will get a prompt to create an account if you have never used the app before, and after this is done, tap on these little lines at the bottom right corner of the screen, go over to My Tickets and Passes, and through this window, you will be able to register any tickets and passes that you have into your account. So if you don't see a specific ticket that you purchased, all that you have to do is choose the option to link them. You will have three main ways to link your tickets, either using your camera, by tapping them here, or with the Type ID. Just choose whichever one you prefer. So you have to make sure that you are able to link a ticket or a pass through this window. Once it is linked, it is going to appear under your tickets and passes. Now you will have the option to send them to someone else. To actually send them to another person, tap on the specific ticket that you would like to manage, and at the bottom, one of the options is going to be Reassign Ticket. When you choose Reassign Ticket, you will then have access to the inputs where you can enter their information. You will be able to assign them to another person who also has their own Disney Experience app account created. And after it is sent over, they will be able to manage it inside of the application. It is very important that they use the application as well, and as long as you choose Reassign Ticket, you will be able to select the recipients, link them to another account, and the other person will be able to manage them instead. I hope I was able to help you on how to send tickets to someone else for Disney. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.